Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Dr. Rebecca Hopkins and I'm a chiropractor. I'm the owner of the wellness studio located in Fort Worth, Texas, and I've been using Jane ever since I opened up my practice, which was 4 years ago now. Today I'm excited to show you how I use Jane to schedule and run my busy practice. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to juggle appointments, manage your time, or keep your day running smoothly, you're not alone. I've been there too. But with Jane, scheduling doesn't have to be stressful. It's easy, it's intuitive, and super smart. Whether it's setting up staggered bookings, managing rooms, or even automating your waitlist, Jane gives you complete control over how your day goes. So if you're a chiropractor or practice owner looking to simplify your schedule and focus more on your patients, stick around. I'll walk you through exactly how I've set things up to make my practice work smoothly. The first feature I use to keep my schedule packed is staggered bookings. Since I can see more than one patient at a time, this lets me offset appointments perfectly. For example, while one patient is wrapping up their follow-up visit, I can start with another initial assessment with another patient, and there's no wasted time. To set this up, all I need to do is let Jane know the rooms I have in practice. Then I'll go ahead and assign shifts to my rooms. If you're in a larger practice space, staggered booking can be customized in the practitioner profile to decide on how much of an overlap with the appointments you like. It's such a simple but powerful way to maximize your time and make sure you're always busy. Another one of my absolute favorite features in Jane is tags. If you're not using tags yet, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to keep your schedule organized and your practice running the way you prefer. Think of tags as little labels you can add to shifts in your schedule. If you like to dedicate certain parts of your day, like mornings, afternoons, or even specific days of the week to particular times of appointments, tags are about to become your new best friend. To get these set up, all you need to do is create the tags for your practice. You can do that in settings under advanced scheduling. I've created a couple here to show you today, initial and subsequent. The next step is assigning those to your appointments under treatments, classes and group appointments. Finally, assign those tags to your shifts. It's such a simple but powerful way to structure your day and keep everything running smoothly. Finally, I want to show you how I set up my online booking in Jane. It's super customizable and there are so many ways to tweak it to fit your practice perfectly. Let me walk you through a few of my favorite settings. First up, online rolling availability. This setting lets you decide how far in advance patients can book appointments. For example, I have mine set to 3 months, which means Jane automatically opens up bookings for the next 3 months and rolls forward one day at a time. It's perfect because it gives me a buffer to add holidays, time off, or personal appointments before someone books out my entire year. Next, cluster online booking. If your schedule is pretty flexible with lots of openings, you want patients to book around existing appointments, this is the setting for you. Jane will offer times just before or after whatever's already booked. These settings have made a huge difference in how I manage my online bookings, and I'm sure they'll help you too. The last feature I want to show you, and honestly, it's a game changer for keeping my schedule full and my time optimized, is Jane's waitlist feature. Here's how it works. Whenever an appointment gets deleted, canceled, no-showed, or moved, Jane automatically scans your waitlist and holds that spot for an eligible clients waiting to get in. From there, you can send a notification to all those clients at once, release the spot back to the general public, or book a specific client into the spot with just one click. But here's my favorite part. If you enable automatic waitlist notifications, Jane will send out an SMS or email to everyone on the waitlist for you. That means no more scrambling to make calls or send emails to fill last-minute appointments. Jane handles it all. To set up, all you have to do is head into your Jane account and click on Settings. Scroll down the options on the left until you find Waitlist. Once you're there, you'll see a few key settings. Allow clients to add themselves to your waitlist. I like to allow my clients to do this, but if you prefer, you can let them add themselves. Then enable automatic notifications so Jane can reach out to clients about openings. And finally, setting an exclusive access time. This is how long Jane will hold a spot for waitlisted clients before releasing it to the general public. And that's it. With this setup, I don't have to stress about filling those last-minute gaps on my schedule. Jane takes care of it, so I can focus on what really matters, which is helping my patients. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope some of the tips and tricks I've shared about setting up my schedule in Jane have helped you and your practice. Whether it's staggered bookings, room setups, and customizing your online booking, these features have made a huge difference in how I run my practice.